Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I am David.
And hello from me too. I am Alice. We are so happy you are here today to practice your English with us.
Yes, today is going to be a very fun day. We are talking about something we all love.
Oh, I know what it is. We are talking about hobbies.
That is right, Alice. Hobbies. Let us say that word slowly together. Hobbies.
Hobbies. It is a great word. But wait, David, before we start our big talk about hobbies, I want to ask our friends a small favor.
A favor? What is it, Alice?
Well, if you like learning English with us, please click the subscribe button. And do not forget to hit the like button too. It helps our channel grow, and we can make more videos for you.
Ah, yes. Thank you, Alice. That is very important. Please subscribe and join our English learning family. It flows naturally, right?
Yes, it does. So, David, let us start. What is a hobby? Let us explain it simply for our friends who are beginners.
Great question, Alice. A hobby is something you do for fun. It is something you do when you are not working. You do it in your free time.
Free time. Let us repeat that phrase. Free time. This is the time when you do not study and you do not work. It is your relaxing time.
Exactly. For example, some people love to read books. Some people love to play football. Some people love to cook. These are all hobbies.
I love hobbies. They make life so interesting. David, do you have a hobby? What do you like to do in your free time?
Oh, I have a few hobbies, Alice. But my favorite hobby is gardening. I love plants.
Gardening. Wow, that is a beautiful hobby. Can you spell that for us, David?
Of course. Gardening. 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 It means taking care of flowers, plants, and vegetables.
Do you have a big garden, David? Or a small garden?
I have a small garden outside my window. I have some green plants and some red flowers. Every morning I give them water. I look at them and it makes me feel very calm.
That sounds so peaceful. Let us repeat that key phrase for our listeners. It makes me feel calm.
It makes me feel calm. Yes, it is very important to find a hobby that makes you happy and relaxed. Alice, what about you? What is your favorite hobby?
Oh, David, my favorite hobby is cooking. I love to be in the kitchen. I love to make delicious food.
Cooking. That is a delicious hobby. But wait, Alice, is cooking a hobby or is it a chore? A chore means work you must do.
Haha, for some people it is a chore. It is work. But for me, it is a hobby because I do it for fun. I love to try new recipes. I love to mix ingredients.
Recipes. That is a good word. R-E-C-I-P-E-S. Recipes are the instructions that tell you how to cook a specific meal.
Yes, and yesterday I made a big mistake while cooking. I wanted to make a sweet cake, but I mixed up the ingredients.
Oh no, Alice. What did you do?
Well, I put salt instead of sugar in the cake.
Salt instead of sugar? Oh, Alice, that must taste terrible.
It was very bad, David. I took a big bite and I went, yuck! It was so salty. My friend tried it too and we both laughed so hard. It is okay to make mistakes, right? Even in cooking and even in English.
That is so true, Alice. Making mistakes is how we learn. If you put salt in your cake, you will never forget to check the sugar next time. And if our listeners make a mistake in English, it is okay. Just laugh and try again.
Exactly. So, let us look at another hobby. David, do you like music?
Oh, I love music, Alice. Listening to music is a very common hobby. Many of our friends are probably listening to this video while doing something else, like driving or relaxing.
Yes, listening to music is great. But what about playing music? Do you play an instrument?
I try to play the guitar, but I am not very good at it. I am still a beginner, just like many of our friends here are beginners with English.
That is wonderful, David. Playing the guitar. Let us repeat that phrase. Playing the guitar. It takes time to learn, right?
Yes, it takes a lot of practice. I practice for 15 minutes every day. Every day. Small steps are very good.
I agree. Just like learning English. 15 minutes of practice every day can make you a big master in the future.
Yes, Alice, do you play any musical instruments?
No, I do not. I tried to play the piano when I was a little girl, but it was too difficult for me. Now, my hobby is just listening to music. I love singing in the shower, too. Haha.
Singing in the shower. That is the best place to sing because no one can hear you.
Yes, I sound like a superstar in the shower.
Let us ask our listeners a simple question to think about. Friends, do you like music? Do you play an instrument, or do you just listen? Think about your answer in English.
That is a great practice exercise. They can say, I like listening to music, or I play the piano. Simple sentences are perfect.
Perfect. Now, let us talk about another popular hobby. Many people love sports. Alice, do you like sports? Yes, I love sports. I love watching sports and I love playing sports. My favorite sport to play is badminton.
Badminton, that is a fun game. You play it with a racket and a small, light object called a shuttlecock. It is very fast.
Yes, it is fast, and it is very good exercise. It keeps me healthy and active.
Let us repeat that phrase for everyone. It keeps me healthy.
It keeps me healthy. What about you, Alice? Do you play any sports?
Well, I do not play team sports, but my hobby is running. I go for a run in the park every evening. Yes, and it is free. I love to see the trees and the birds while I run. It helps me clear my mind after a busy day.
Clear my mind. That is a wonderful expression. It means to stop thinking about worried thoughts or work. Running helps you relax your brain.
Yes, it clears my mind. David, what about hobbies that you can do inside the house? We call these indoor hobbies.
Indoor hobbies. Let us say that together. Indoor hobbies. These are hobbies you do inside a building, like your home. For example, reading is a great indoor hobby.
Oh, I love reading. Reading books opens up a whole new world. You can read stories, you can read about history, or you can read to learn a new language.
Yes, reading English books is a great way for our listeners to improve their vocabulary. But they should start with simple books. Short stories for children are very good for beginners.
That is a great tip, David. Do not start with a very thick, difficult book. Start with a small, easy book. If you read 1 page a day, that is a great start.
Exactly. Another indoor hobby is watching movies or TV shows. Many people do this to relax.
Yes, and you can watch English movies with subtitles. That is a fun way to practice listening. You can hear the words and read them at the same time.
That is how I learned some phrases in other languages too. It really works. But Alice, what about outdoor hobbies? Hobbies you do outside in nature.
Outdoor hobbies. Let us repeat it. Outdoor hobbies. I think hiking is a very popular outdoor hobby.
Hiking. Yes. Hiking. Hiking means walking for a long time in the mountains or in nature. It is different from just walking on the street.
I love hiking. The fresh air, the big mountains, the green trees. It is beautiful. But you must be careful not to get lost.
Oh, have you ever been lost while hiking, Alice?
Yes, once. I went with my brother. We walked off the main path because we saw a cute rabbit. We followed the rabbit and then we did not know where we were.
Oh no, did the rabbit guide you back home?
No, the rabbit just hopped away. We had to look at the sun to find our way back. We were a little scared, but now it is a funny story.
Wow, that is an adventure. So, a hobby can sometimes be an adventure. Let us review some of the key phrases we use today, very slowly and clearly, so our friends can remember them.
Yes, let us do that. I will say the phrase first, and then David, you can say it too. First phrase, in my free time.
In my free time. This means when you are not busy with work or school.
Second phrase, it makes me feel calm.
It makes me feel calm. This means it makes you feel peaceful and quiet inside.
Third phrase, it keeps me healthy.
It keeps me healthy. This means it is good for your body and your strength.
Fourth phrase, clear my mind.
Clear my mind. This means to remove stress and stop worrying about things.
Perfect. Those are beautiful phrases to use when you talk about your hobbies in English.
Now, let us play a small game with our listeners. We will ask 3 simple questions. Listen carefully and try to answer them aloud or in your head.
Question number 1. What do you like to do when you have free time?
I will give an example answer. In my free time, I like to read books. Now it is your turn to think.
Great job! Question number 2. Do you prefer indoor hobbies or outdoor hobbies? Indoor or outdoor?
Example answer. I prefer indoor hobbies because I love staying at home. Or, I prefer outdoor hobbies because I love nature. Think about your choice.
Excellent! And question number 3. Name one hobby that keeps you healthy.
Example answer. Running keeps me healthy. Or, playing football keeps me healthy.
You did amazing! See? Speaking English is not so scary. You can answer simple questions using simple words.
Yes, you are doing great. Every video you listen to makes your English better and better. Be patient with yourself.
We are so proud of you for practicing with us today. Before we go, we want to build a connection with you. We want to know you better.
Yes, tell us in the comments section below. What is your favorite hobby? Write a short, simple sentence in English. Alice and I will read your comments.
Yes, please write to us. It is great writing practice. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and keep practicing.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.